Guys, I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. Oh my god, this is just beautiful. It snowed last night. It looks absolutely amazing. Like, look at that. Like, what? Yeah, that's it. Gonna eat some French toast now. Let's go. Okay guys, so we got the French toast cooking up right over here, and now I know what you're thinking. I know exactly what you're thinking. What the heck is this right here? I know, I feel guilty. I may or may not have, I mean I definitely have eaten not one but 2 donuts yesterday. Okay, so I had just a general glazed one because I haven't had one in like a really long time. So I had one, right? And it was delicious. And then I saw this other donut. Let me show you. So I had this one right here. Now I took a bite into it, right? And it was just super delicious. And then more than halfway through into the donut, I was like, wait a second. This clearly has chocolate filling in it. And I was like, oh crap, because I haven't had dairy since like a really long time. And then I ate it, I was like, oh crap, there's chocolate in it. So I stopped eating it and I felt really guilty. But luckily I did not feel any symptoms. I felt pretty good actually. So that's a success. Woke up like I lost weight this morning too. So anyway, we're gonna make up for it with this French toast right now, so let's get into it. Alright guys, it's very bright outside right now, but anyway, this right here is just the regular normal French toast you see on my channel pretty much every single video, but it's slightly different. So the other day I saw Greg Doucette and Will Tennyson make a video together and they made French toast together, and it was like blueberry French toast and it looked absolutely amazing. I was like, oh my god, I need this. So what I did is I made it, and now it's right here in front of me and it looks delicious. So just the regular French toast recipe with some regular ass bread. And so instead of putting the bread on a hot pan, they first added blueberries on a hot pan to kind of like let them like, I guess, cook a bit, and then they added the bread on top of it, and then like, the blueberries kind of submerge into the bread, and it looks absolutely amazing. So try it out because like it looks really good.
Cheers. Oh, these are clean. Nah, they're not.
Yeah, like cannot beat it. Really good. I'm gonna eat this probably not in the cold because it is very cold outside. Okay, so now to the reason you guys clicked on today's video. I got this massive, like, look how big this is. I can literally give this a hug. So the plan for today is we're gonna unbox this box, and then we're gonna do a review about everything I bought, and then the reason why I bought it, and just simply going over like which supplements are actually useful, which ones you shouldn't buy, which are a waste of money, which ones are actually scientifically proven, etc, etc. And I'm gonna do like a review video about this, so let's get into it. Wow. Alright, so everything we got here. So starting with some creatine, BCAAs, vegan protein powders, because as you guys know I don't like to have dairy, 2 shaker bottles, a pump product, Omega3, some flavor drops, some multivitamins, clear whey isolate sample, lemonade, a pre-workout sample. So that's everything we got. Okay, so the first item, protein powder. Do you need protein powder? Absolutely not. This is just a supplement, and keep in mind, all of these are just supplements. You do not need any of these in your diet, hence the name supplement. They're supposed to supplement your diet. Your diet should consist of whole natural foods, and you should have a healthy diet, but these are just supplements that supplement your diet in case you cannot get certain foods or can't hit certain macros or macronutrients. So that's exactly what this does. Protein powder, there's nothing magical in protein powder. Like, all of this is just protein. So if you struggle getting enough protein in during the day, protein shakes are very convenient, super easy to consume, super easy to drink, and it's relatively cheap as well. So if you struggle, like for example, eating enough meats, chicken, eggs, milk, cheese, whatever, protein powder, it's a very cheap and very convenient supplement. Moving on to creatine. I have taken creatine for, it's been a while, but this is, I'm just gonna say it right now, this is the most scientifically studied supplement out there, and this is probably the #1 item I recommend every single one of you to take, boys and girls. So basically your body uses ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate, to produce energy. So every time you're doing like either a sprint, you're lifting weights, super heavy weights, you're maxing out on like a bench press, squat, deadlift, using maximum intensity, your body uses ATP. Now basically creatine is known to increase your ATP, which means creatine will actually boost your power and strength. So with that said, how much should you take of it? Research shows you don't need to like cycle on it or cycle off it. You can just take 5 grams every single day consistently. It doesn't matter when or which time you take it, as long as you take it consistently every single day. For me at least, like I know I take my creatine every single night before I go to bed, so I try to have like a good routine with it. So every single night just take it, or for me at least, for you can take it every single morning. So as long as you just take 3 to 5 grams every single day, you should be good. Now, I know a lot of people are pretty skeptical about this because they hear that it has a lot of bad side effects, which is totally not true. Most of the bad things you hear about creatine are not scientifically proven at all. Like, they're not. But however, you will experience, for most people, that you'll start to hold on to more water and feel more bloated, which is completely fine because creatine loads into your muscle cells, which will kind of make you look more poofier. If anything, it'll just make you look a bit bigger because you'll have more water inside of your muscle cells. So yeah, don't even worry about that. Not only that, it is extremely cheap. Like, it is very, very cheap. And now the reason I supplement with this is that it's very hard to get enough creatine in like your normal everyday diet. You need to eat like, I think like a pound of red uncooked meat to get enough creatine. So that's not worth it. So yeah, supplement with it. It's super, super cheap, very affordable. And again, the most scientifically proven supplement out there. Moving on to BCAAs. This is a very controversial one. And to be honest, my personal opinion, I think they're quite useless. Let me explain. So BCAAs stand for branched chain amino acids, which are like the building blocks of protein. Now basically, BCAAs are found in pretty much any other protein source. So even like the protein powder I showed earlier contains BCAAs. Chicken, meats, fish, whatever, all contain BCAAs. So supplementing in BCAAs, not really worth it at all. Like, it's pretty much just a waste of money. However, if you are trying to lose weight, so you're cutting down, this can actually help a lot with like just appetite suppression. Like, it literally, this is gummy fish flavor. It sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna do like a taste test of everything afterwards. But yeah, it just helps suppress your appetite, especially if you're in a situation like me when you're bulking, you're trying to put on body mass and you're eating lots and lots of food. You're getting plenty of BCAAs already in your diet, so there's absolutely no need for you to supplement in this. So yeah, don't spend your money on this. Save it and instead buy more creatine or protein powder. Next up, the pump. The name itself is pretty self-explanatory. It basically gives you a pump in a workout. So it swells up your muscle cells, which will obviously like pump you up. It'll make you appear bigger because there'll be lots of blood in your muscle cells. So this is basically for anyone that wants the same effects of a pre-workout would without the caffeine. So if you're working out super late at night, you don't want to take any caffeine because it may affect your sleep. Taking like a pump product will be very beneficial because again, there's no caffeine in this. It's caffeine free, so it won't interfere with your sleep. I haven't personally taken any caffeine these past couple of months, so yeah, really looking forward to trying this out in the gym today, and I'll let you guys know how it works. And now pre-workout. So basically this is the same as the pump product, however it has more caffeine in it, and also pre-workouts have like lots of other things. So they have beta-alanine, obviously caffeine, citrulline, and stuff like that. Do you need this? Absolutely not. I personally haven't taken pre-workout in a very long time, and my workouts are still very good. I know a lot of people who take pre-workout every single workout, and it's almost gone to a point where like they rely on it, so they need pre-workout to actually have a good workout, which is a super bad relationship to be in with pre-workout. I feel like if you want to take it, you should only take it on days where you feel extremely tired. You just came back from work, like you're just dead, you're tired, you don't want to work out. Pre-workout is a great little boost to have. So yeah, don't start relying on it. Don't take it every single day. If you do take it every single day and you start noticing you're relying on it, I highly recommend you guys to cycle off it for like a week or two, just to kind of let your body rest and recover from it. And so when you get back on it, you'll actually feel more of the effect of it. So obviously your body builds a tolerance towards caffeine the more you take it. So say for example, I haven't taken any caffeine in like months, right? So if I were to take this right now, I'd feel it immediately because like I haven't had it in such a long time, so my body isn't used to it. However, if I were to take this like every single day and I took it right now, I probably wouldn't feel much of it, you know? So obviously the more you take it, the more of a tolerance your body builds towards it. So again, just take it when you need it, like as like an emergency. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Yeah, you don't need it. Moving on to omega-3. This is probably number 2 most important supplement out of all the supplements I've reviewed, because if you're like me or like any other person on earth and you don't eat fish every single day, supplementing in omega-3 supplements is very beneficial. I don't think many people eat fish that often because it's quite expensive. However, fish has lots of healthy fats in it. Obviously, one of them is omega-3. So supplementing with omega-3 supplements is very beneficial if you don't eat a lot of fish during the week. Lastly, or second lastly, or maybe lastly, just Alpha Men, which I think is just like a complete multivitamin. So yeah, this is just like, again, like these are supplements. You don't need this. It's just like, it's almost like a good kind of safety net to have. So you should be consuming lots of fruits and vegetables during the day. If for whatever reason you're not, like you're traveling or just you don't have access to fruits and vegetables. A multivitamin is just a great thing to have because it's like just in case you don't have it, like just supplement in like a multivitamin and like you're good to go. Obviously you shouldn't supplement this with like actual fruits and vegetables. Like no, you should try to get enough fruits and vegetables in with like whole natural foods. But again, if you just don't have access or you just can't for a couple of days, like supplementing in like a multivitamin, like it's not gonna hurt you. Like if anything, it'll help you. So yeah. Alright guys, so now that we've reviewed every single item, it is time for us to try every single one of them out. And now the multivitamin. And like I just opened this up, right? And it smells disgusting. Like, oh, what's that smell? Like it smells really, really bad. In like a really funny way. Wait, do I swallow these or do I eat these? I'm just gonna swallow them. 2 of these. 2 at the same time? Ooh, okay, let's go. Oh, that's risky. I don't think I can do this. Oh, that's really bad. I'm scared. Oh, I just did it. Yeah, those are a lot worse than the official. Pump it up. Alright guys, so just put up to the gym and it is absolutely just pitch black outside. It's only like 5 o'clock, but it's already super dark. Anyway, because it is late, I'm not gonna take any pre-workout. I'm just gonna take the pump product, which you'll know all about by now because I obviously did that long ass review. I just edited part of it and I just realized how much I talk. Like I talk so much. It's so like, I don't know, you guys are probably so annoyed by now, but yeah, we're gonna be taking this. And then, so I bought 2 shaker cups today. See, I'm still talking, I'm talking again. So in here, I'm gonna put the pump product in the shaker. I could dry scoop it, but I'm not a dry scooper. I am more of a mixer and then drinking it because I prefer just drinking and just having the taste of it. And then also, if I can find it in my backpack, we got the BCAAs. I think these are the gummy bear, gummy worm, whatever in here. So I'll be sipping on this during the workout and then I'll take the pump products right before my workout, like right now actually. So yeah, we got heavy deadlifts on the menu today. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let's just get inside of there. So currently sipping on the BCAAs. I think I added too much water because it is very like, it's very watery, so I don't really taste it that much. Like I can kind of taste it. So next time I'm gonna add a bit less water, but 7 out of 10.
You're standing your ground, ready to die on the hill that you built out of lies and deception, raising your weapon. Every word you speak dripping with venom. You're playing with fire, preparing for war. I'm ready to settle the score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm.
Damn, bro, looking juicy. Yo, what? Is this guy real? Are you for real, bro?
Alright.
Damn right it is. Yo, how many was that?
10.
Was that 10?
That's 10.
Okay, I'll do 10.
That's actually heavy, bro.
I'll go for 11 then.
The score. You're sounding the alarm while I'm trying to remain in the calm before the storm.
There we go. There we go. Try this angle too. It's really bright on your skin.
Like in a good way or bad way?
Like you an angel, bro. Goddamn ghost. There we go, that's good. Nice.
Yeah, I should be good.
Yep.
Good. Alright guys, just finished the workout, and so it started off pretty bad because I was really bloated because I had, obviously I drank the pump product during my deadlifts, which wasn't a good idea. I should have like drank it like way before, and so that got me really bloated. And then on top of that, I drank my BCAAs as well, so I was like just really bloated. And then like after kind of like I kind of digested, I felt a lot better. The pump was pretty crazy, as you guys saw, and overall was just a really good workout. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Gonna go home now, have a couple more of those supplements, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. Post-workout shake right here. It is 9 o'clock right now, and I literally spent 4 hours in the gym. Like, that's just ridiculous. 4 hours in the gym, like, that's crazy. Anyway, we are back home, about to review this protein shake. Also added some creatine, which obviously has no flavor, so I can't really review that. Anyway, we got it right here, and I added some almond milk instead of water, because protein shakes with water are just disgusting. Yo, what? Okay. That's delicious. What the heck? That's super thick and creamy. That literally tastes amazing. I'm so skeptical, especially with vegan protein powders, because usually they just taste like dirt. This vegan protein powder literally tastes like chocolate milk. 9 out of 10. Like, I'm just gonna say it right now, 9 out of freaking 10. Oh my god, that's delicious. Wow. Chocolate vegan pea protein, like, as weird as it may sound, it's delicious, so highly recommend. Alright guys, so I think that's gonna wrap up the entire video. So again, this is just my personal opinion on what supplements I think you should take. And again, there's so many other supplements out there. I only did like a couple. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But I do think that the ones I reviewed today are like the main ones you should worry about. And like obviously, as you guys saw, all the supplements are from my protein, which I'm not affiliated with. I've always used their supplements since like 2017 when I first got into like using supplements. But again, supplements are literally just there to supplement your diet. If you just 100% focus on your diet, there's absolutely no need for you to supplement with anything. Like, I guarantee you that. I didn't use supplements for the longest time. This all comes down to like personal preference and what you think is going to supplement your diet best, because again, everyone has like their own like wants and needs. Like, not everyone is going to eat the same diet every single day, so one person may need more fish oil than the other, because some people may eat fish every single day. Like, I don't know. So just again, like, see how your diet looks like and see what supplements you need to supplement your diet. Anyway, I'm talking way too much. Like, I gotta just set a timer and just like, I gotta stop talking. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'd highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.